guys, I am in TJmaxx and this is collab with Lindsay Life and Style. Guys, Lindsay channel is really cool, cleaning, lifestyle, all the decoration, stuff like this. If you love this kind of sort of videos, go to her channel, check it out. She's really cool. This is our second collab already. We did one collab last year. So guys, go to her channel, check it out. She's really cool. And if you're coming from Lindsay's channel, hi guys, my name is Amber. I'm doing mostly beauty related videos. I am beautician, I am esthetician, sometimes I do makeup videos. I shop a lot of in TJmaxx, Marshalls, Dollar Store, Ross, everywhere. These kind of stores are like, oh my god, so good. Guys, going to the Ross today. I'm so excited to do this collab and I'm like literally, I don't know what I'm going to buy, but I'm so excited. And let's go. Let's go. So like always, I go to the beauty section. Beauty section is right here. I already have this. It doesn't work. Just being honest, it really doesn't work. Don't do anything. Oh, Garnier. That's a pretty good deal. 2 packs for $5.99. Oh, Philosophy. That's a really cheap, $6.50. But you know what is used? I can tell because it's open. I don't buy used stuff. Oh, I heard about this brand, but I never had anything. What is that? Hair oil treatment for fine, weak wear, dry hair. $5.99. It's a really good deal. I'm taking that. This is really good. I have this, guys. Always recommending to buy from TJmaxx. Price $5.50. Drugstore, I think it's like around $10. Worth buying this from Ross. I have this too. Really good. So if you guys don't have it, Ross, this is amazing. Just love it. So guys, I check online. This palette at Ulta is $34 and here is $12. So you know guys, I want to try this palette for sure. I'm taking this. Look at this. This is knockoff of Naked palette. Oh, they have Physicians Formula. They have 2 powders for $7.99. Over here, I have these, and they have the same 2 powders for $5.50. So why don't I take and I can do giveaway, guys? Yeah, I don't know why it's discounted. Everything is good. It's closed. It's nothing. $5.50. Why not? Alright, so we're leaving beauty section here because it's gonna take another 66 hours for me and just going to check out. Okay guys, so I spent like 10 minutes in Ross. No, I just like not feeling sometimes shopping in Ross. I'm going to TJmaxx, which is right next to Ross. TJmaxx, Home Goods, and let's dig in there. I'm gonna stay maybe 1 hour. I never ever be like shorter time than 1 hour in TJmaxx. Let's go in. Oh my god, this is so pretty, guys. Look at this. See the price? $129. So pretty. It's me. Okay, let's go. I love Home Goods. So nice. A little bit expensive, but it's very unique, very cool. Okay, take a look, guys. So first thing what I do when I come to TJmaxx, Home Goods, I'm digging into clearance section because sometimes I have to fight with some people for clearance stuff. So I'm going in right now and let's see what they have. Guys, I will let you guess where I'm going now. I'm going to beauty section. So I can't wait to see what they have in beauty section. Oh my god. First spot where I go to beauty section, I go to clearance. Yeah, very cheap. It's pretty good, guys. You can see they have side shadow, They have Estee Lauder. Wow, so cool. They have Algenist. They have a lot of crap too. Right here. Smashbox, Too Faced, Elf, Milani, Melted Too Faced. Wow. Calvin Klein, Bliss, $8. Okay, the Body Shop. Do I need this? It's nice. If I didn't have the same one at home, I will buy. Guys, I swear I have half of TJmaxx already at home. It's really, really, really good body lotion. Oh, this one I have never seen, but it's open halfway, so I don't open. Clay mask, anti-aging clay mask, $15. No, I have bought cheaper clay mask. Clay mask doesn't have to be expensive. Okay, Strivectin, $15. Not bad. What is below here? $24. Oh, neck cream. You guys don't need like actual neck cream. You can use the same like for the face. Oh, I have this at home. Bosca. Oh, I have this. I have this serum and I don't like it, so I'm not gonna buy. Oh, Yada Cosmetics. Guys, Yada Cosmetics, really, really good brand. This is Korean brand, which I'm buying. And I really, really, really love this brand. Very natural. Look, Laura Geller, $12. Ooh, why not? I will take this. Alright, I'm taking this. And look at this Philosophy for $13 and you're getting, I don't know, let me check. Okay, like this, it's just one left. Nice. Wow, this is for man, Clinique, and how much is that? $15. It's not worth buying for my husband. He's not good enough to get this. Oh my god, I'm being such a jerk. Alright, what is this? Clinique, $16 after sun. See guys, when you're buying, like be careful what you're buying because this is bare minerals and inside some little thingy that is not supposed to be there. People stealing stuff. Oh guys, $15. Strivectin Labs is actually not so bad brand. I had eye cream, I don't know. Eye cream, I'm like very skeptical towards eye creams, but this silver peel off purifier. I'm really, really curious what is this, so I'm gonna take this. By the way, I'm also taking the Brow Gal, Tonya Crooks brow pencil. I follow her on Instagram. She's very nice. I like her. Shiseido White Total Brightening Serum. $15, guys, is so cheap. Like for a high-end cosmetics to shop over here. TJmaxx clearance, my thing. Lifted looks, facial contour appear more defined. Yeah, I don't trust these marketing things. Okay, I got this. Even brighter, Clinique even better. Clinique Dark Spot Correction. I don't need that. I have this already. Self tanning moisturizer. No. Wow, this is cool. Full Lash Volume Mascara. $15. Shiseido. I never tried Shiseido mascara. Cargo. Look at this. I just bought from Ross Cargo. Concealer. Oh, look at this, guys. They have Physicians Formula. I have this set. I really, really like it. $6.99. Not bad deal. Wow, this brush is so cool. I have this brush and I really, really don't like it. Don't buy this. Okay, Clinique eyeshadows. $28. Look at this, guys, Smashbox. Oh my god, this packaging is everything. Look at this. Oh my god, this is so crazy. I feel like I'm going crazy. This is so cool. Eyeshadow palette, $15. Let me check what is inside. This is really pretty and it's not used. Yay! Should I get it? No, I already got one eyeshadow palette. It's really pretty. Wow, love it. The packaging is so cute. Bare Minerals translucent powder looks so pretty. Look at this, guys. Ooh, so nice. Algenist, what is this? Anti-aging lip gloss. Okay, maybe I should get it. It's actually sealed, so I will trust that it's okay. Anti-aging? Okay, I'll get this. Nothing good. Stretch marks, guys, never ever believe in this thing because stretch mark creams don't work. I'm telling you, don't work. If it was working, we wouldn't have stretch marks. Guys, so much stuff here. I have no idea where to start looking. Body butter. Of course, actually, this is not bad brand. I really like it. People looking at me like, like they think, what the hell is she doing here? Why is she filming? I'm still feeling like uncomfortable filming in stores, like when people looking at me with the camera. They're like, what the fuck is she doing? Oh my god. Hand wash. Bobbi Brown hand wash. $13. Seriously? Come on. Oh my god, this packaging is so cute. Firming body oil. Wow, 24 karat body oil. I need this. And it's only $5. Why not? I don't care, guys. I'm gonna take this. I actually taking this right now. Guys, I have tried this. This is really cool thing. I know it's a little bit pricey. It's $5. I think it's like 20 washes, but actually more like 30 washes. So it's good for a month. It's really cool. Like exfoliates your legs and your butt and everything nice. This is really cool. I had this. I like it. Oh my god. Oh my god. I found Dermalogica. I cannot believe it. Look at this, guys. Dermalogica in TJmaxx. Seriously. Wow, $12. What is this? Cleansing gel, multi-active toner, and primer. I get it. I take this. I need this. This looks Korean. This is a rose water mask, guys. I'm so in love with the rose water. Like, smell is so amazing. I'm taking this mask. It's so good. What is this? Is the same brand, the mask? Salmon. Imagine you put the salmon on your face. I don't know. It's just like so weird. I don't know if I need the salmon on my face. So many masks, guys. I am in love with the face masks. So much. Okay, guys, I never tried this mask, but I want to try actually. Essence mask shade. Oh, guys, look at this. What I found. This is from Karuna. I don't know how to pronounce this name. Karuna. I think it's Karuna. It is mask, exfoliating face mask. Oh my god, this is actually in Sephora, like expensive. Guys, I have tried this mask. Amazing. I know it's pricey, $7.99, but it's really good. Funny, this is literally so funny to shop in TJmaxx with camera. I'm kind of skipping a lot of things to touch because when I come to TJmaxx, I basically have to touch every single item. I will touch this, I will touch this, I will touch this and this and this and this, and I will touch every single item. But when I film, I kind of have to film and touch and look and read and everything, so it's so hard. But this is my section. This is TJmaxx skincare section, beauty. Skincare. I love TJmaxx. Look at this, guys. They have Marc Jacobs. Seriously, Marc Jacobs foundation, but it's deep skin color. Oh no, this is for deep skin tone. Okay, what else do they have? Dr. Brand Transforming Pearl Cream, Dr. Brand Collagen Serum. Let's see ingredients just for fun. I don't see any collagen. 3D filter mask. Wow, plump up the volume. Ooh, $25, but this looks like very good marketing. I don't know, packaging looks cute. 3D filter mask. I don't know how my face will look 3D, but I don't even want to imagine. Guys, if you don't know, Dr. Hauschka is German brand, which is really natural, really good. I used to buy in Germany all the time. And here's price $19.99, and it was $40. In Germany it's much cheaper. So I made it to the purse section. This is cute. Michael Kors, $50, kind of too pricey. I can find on sale a little bit cheaper sometimes. Kate Spade. I don't know why Kate Spade. I have bad experience being a bad quality for the price. Oh, look at this. Marc Jacobs. How much is that? Oh, $60. Wow, this is Marc Jacobs. Look at this, guys. This wallet is so cute. Okay, this is my section again. Oh my god, so much stuff in here. Do you have any tips when do you have like clearance? Like when do you mark prices down? Do you have the days?
Yes.
Do you have the days? Which days do you?
Pero changing.
Changing?
Yeah, I don't know what day.
You don't know?
No.
Okay.
Pero go more down.
So once a month,
down,
right?
Go more down until yellow.
Okay. So when the yellow is final, right?
Final,
Ah,
yeah.
okay, that's cool. That's good to know. Thank you.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm looking for nice fanny pack, and look at this. I found Calvin Klein, $25. It's like a belt fanny pack. What do you think? I don't know. It's kind of beautiful. No? Ooh, no. Guys, look at this. What I see. Oh my. Oh my goodness. Origins. 10 masks. I love Origins. 35. No, thank you. I still have this. I love it. I really, 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 really love this. Look at this brush. It's like silicone. Hey Jade Amber, how you doing? Hey guys, I found this nice Calvin Klein pants for $15. I don't know, this is in PJ section, but I'm pretty sure these are good for workout. Bessie Johnson, $10. It was $20, now it's $10. Original price $68. I'll take this. I found Calvin Klein sleeping shirt that was $66 and right now is $12. Taking this too. So I'm even in discounted section for underwear, and they have like Calvin Klein, Tommy Hilfiger. They have a lot of like discounted stuff. Why would you pay like regular price if you can find Calvin Klein underwear for $6 instead of $22? Another one, Calvin Klein underwear, 2 pieces. It was $26. Right now it's $6. $20 down. Why not, right? Look at this, guys. Calvin Klein. It was $22. Medium size underwear. Right now it's $4, and it's so beautiful. Look at this. Okay, and another Calvin Klein underwear. So cute. Look at this, guys. Oh my God, I'm finding such a good sales. Look, instead of $26, right now is $4. Okay, another one, Tommy Hilfiger, $2. Found $36, and now is $3. Crazy. It's beautiful. Okay guys, it's been more than 2 hours. I'm already tired. I look really bad now. I'm really tired. Going to check out. We have a lot of stuff and can't wait to show you everything. Oh my God, I'm so excited to show you all the stuff that I got. I'm going to check out.
You're done. You have 2 more dollars. Bye-bye.